Hello children. In the previous video, we have already started with your tangents and normals concept for the given curve. Okay. In this video, we are going to see problems on equations of tangents and normals. So, what was the equation of a tangent at point x0, y0? It is given by y minus y0. It is equal to f dash of x0 into x minus x0. Okay. And what was the equation of a normal at point x0, y0? It was y minus y0. It is equal to minus 1 by f dash of x0 into x minus x0. Okay. This is what we have seen in that previous video. So let us begin with the new problems dealing with this. Now see the first question. First question is, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus x at point x equal to 2. That means we have been given the equation of the curve, that is y equal to x cube minus x. We have to find the slope at point x equal to 2. That means what we should find, if we want to find the slope, that means is it that we have to find dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is nothing but the slope. So slope of the tangent, it will be here. First consider that y equal to x cube minus x. Then your dy by dx you'll be getting as 3x square minus 1. That means at point x equal to 2, will I get the answer as equal to 11? Yes. So your slope of the tangent at x equal to 2, it will be equal to 11. Okay. Now, next is find the slope at which the tangent to the curve y equal to root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope 2 by 3. Now I have to find the point, okay, at which the tangent to the curve has its slope 2 by 3. So slope is given to us is 2 by 3. That is dy by dx have been given as 2 by 3. Okay. Now whether we have been given the equation of the line or equation of the curve is given to us. Okay. So using that, can I find what is the slope of that given curve at a given point? Yes. So just what? If I consider your y equal to root of 4x minus 3 minus 1, find your dy by dx. Okay. So dy by dx, I'll be having it as what? 1 by 2. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Okay. So according to that, will I get the derivative as dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into 4x minus 3 raised to minus 1 by 2 into again derivative of 4x minus 3 I have to multiply. So into it is 4. So it is 2 by root of 4x minus 3. But whether slope is given to be what? Slope is given to be 2 by 3. Okay. So will I write it as slope at point? So that point we have taken x comma y. Okay. So at x point x comma y, the slope is given to be 2 by 3. That means my dy by dx is equal to 2 by 3. So whether this value will be equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So equating that, I can get what is the value of x. If I have found the value of x, then if I substitute that value in the given curve, will I get that point y? That value of y will I get? So if you substitute value of y, you will be getting as 2. Okay. So what will be the required point? The required point, it will be 3 comma 2. Okay. So what is the procedure we have followed? Just see. We have to find here a point at which the tangent to the curve has its slope. So suppose if the point be what? X comma y. So the slope of the tangent to the given curve y equal to root of 4x minus 3 minus 1, it will be given by this. Yes, dy by dx will be equal to 2 by root of 4x minus 3. But we have been given the slope is 2 by 3. That means the value of dy by dx is given to be 2 by 3. So will I get that 2 by root of 4x minus 3, it is equal to 2 by 3. And then find the value of x. Okay. You will get the value of x as 3. Now if x I have, I can find the value of y. Yes. So just substitute the value of x in this equation and you will get the value of y as equal to 2. And hence the required point, it will be what? 3, 2. Clear? Next one. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0. Now see, what we have to find is, find the equation of all lines having slope 2. Okay. So the equations of the line having slope 2 we have to find, and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 by x minus 3, it is equal to 0. Okay. Now can I find slope of this line, this curve? So it will be what? This I can write it as what? This equation, it will be y equal to minus 2 by this x minus 3. Now find your dy by dx. dy by dx, it will be your derivative of again minus 2 by x minus 3. Is it of the form derivative of 1 by x? Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Okay. So whether my derivative, it will be minus 2 into minus 1 by x square is x minus 3 bracket square. Yes. Again multiplied with the derivative of x minus 3 is what? Derivative will be 1. So that no need to multiply. So will you get your dy by dx as minus into minus, that becomes plus. So it will be 2 by x minus 3 bracket square. Yes. Now, but whether the slope is given to be 2. So will I equate this is equal to 2? And hence I'll get the values of x as 2, 4. Okay. Now when x is 2, I can find the value of y using the equation. So will I get the value of y equal to 2? And when your x is equal to 4, value of y, it is equal to minus 2. That means the 2 points we have got as, the points are what? Points are 2, 2 and 4, minus 2. Now what we have to find? Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. This we have to find. That means I have to find the equation of tangent. Okay. Now equation of the tangent through your point 2, 2. It will be given by what? Y minus y naught is equal to f dash of x naught into it is what? X minus x naught. So here x naught is 2, y naught is also 2. What is f dash of x naught? F dash of x naught is given to be what? The slope is given to be 2. Okay. So will it be y minus 2 equal to 2 into x minus 2? Simplifying, I'll be getting the equation of the tangent at point 2, 2 as y minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Similarly, at point 4, minus 2, equation of the tangent, it will be y minus 2 equal to 2 into x minus 4. So the equation of the tangent at point 4, minus 2, it will be y minus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, clear? The steps are what? The same. We are just following the same procedure. What we are doing is, we are finding your dy by dx, using the given curve, then slope something it will be given to you. So I'm just equating that, and if the question is to find the point, okay, then after equating that uh, two things, we'll get the value of x. After getting the value of x, just substitute that value in the given equation of that curve, and you will get the value of y, and that will be your particular point on the curve. Okay, and accordingly, if the question is asked to find the equation of tangent or normal, so accordingly you have to follow it. Okay, next, find points on the curve x square by 4 plus y square by 25 equal to 1 at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis and the second is parallel to y-axis. Okay, we have already seen that if a tangent is parallel to x-axis, the equation will be what? Parallel to x-axis, that means it is, the equation will be something y equal to y naught you will get. And the second, parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis, that means it is perpendicular to your x-axis. Okay, that you have to have. So if it is parallel to y-axis, in that case, the equation will be x equal to x naught. Okay, so you have to check whether you are getting the same type of equations or not. So what is given? Find the points on the curve. I have to find the points on this curve at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Now the given curve is this, so I am going to find what is my first slope. Okay, so your dy by dx, it will be what? After simplifying, will I get it as minus 25 by 4 into x by y. Now see the according to the condition. Okay, the condition is what? Your tangent is parallel to x-axis. Okay, if tangent is parallel to x-axis, can I say that my slope of the tangent will be 0? Okay, that means my dy by dx will be 0. That means, can I say your value minus 25 by 4 into x by y will be 0? And this can be 0 only when x is equal to 0. Y cannot be 0. Okay, so this is the condition if x is equal to 0. Is that clear? So just substitute your x equal to 0 in this equation, and you will see that value of y, it is equal to plus or minus 5. Okay, thus the point at which the tangents are parallel to the x-axis, it may be what? It may be the points will be 0 comma 5 and it will be 0 comma minus 5. Is that clear? So basic concept is what? Find your dy by dx, then according to the question check whether it is parallel to x-axis or it is parallel to y-axis. Okay, now here first we have to check if the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. If tangent is parallel to the x-axis, we can say that slope of the tangent, it will be 0, and hence this value we have got, it is 0, and that will be 0 only when your x is 0. Okay, clear? Now see what is the next. If it is parallel to y-axis, okay, if it is parallel to y-axis, that means can I say it will be perpendicular to x-axis? Yes, perpendicular to x-axis, that means your slopes of the two lines, product of the two lines, slope of m1, m2, m2, will it be equal to minus 1? So whether my slope of the tangent, it was minus 25 by 4 into x into y. So what will be the slope of the normal will I get? Will it be 4y by 25 into x, because m1 into m2 should be equal to minus 1. Hope this is clear. Slope of the normal we have got, then just it is what? just we have to substitute the value. Okay, that means now slope of the normal I have. So 4y by 25 by x. Okay, now see, the tangent line is parallel to y-axis. If the slope of the normal it is 0, a slope of the tangent in that case it is what? It is infinity. But we are talking in terms of your normal. So whether when the line is that tangent is parallel to y-axis, that means that slope of the normal will be 0. Okay, so which gives your dx by dy. Okay, that minus of dx by dy, that will be equal to 0. So will I get, it will be a 4y by 25x will be 0. And this is possible only when if your y is 0. So substitute the value of y as 0, you will get the value of x as plus or minus 2. And hence, the points at which the tangents are parallel to y-axis, it will be what? 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. Okay, clear this one? Now, see the next one. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to 2 at point 1, 1. So, we have been given what? Equation of the curve is given and the point is given to be 1 by 1, 1. Now whether we have to find equation of the tangents and normal. So for that, whether we need to find what is dy by dx at point 1, 1. Yes. Then, so in order to find that, differentiate the given equation with respect to x. So it will be x raised to 2 by 3. Derivative, it is what? 2 by 3 into x raised to n minus 1. So 2 by 3 minus 1, you'll be getting it as x raised to minus 1 by 3. Plus, in the same way, derivative of y. But with respect to x, so it should be multiplied with dy by dx. So find the value of dy by dx as minus y by x raised to 1 by 3. This will be getting. Okay. So at point, whether what is the point given at point 1, 1, it will be what? At point 1, 1, will it be equal to minus 1? Because it will be what? Minus of 1 by 1 raised to 1 by 3. Okay. So will I get it as the value? It will be minus 1. Is that clear? Okay. Next. So the equation of the tangent at point 1, 1 will be what? You have that dy by dx at x 1, 1. So just it is y minus 1 equal to, we have got derivative at 1, 1 it is, slope is minus 1. So it is minus 1 into x minus 1, and hence the equation it will be y plus x minus 2 will be equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, the slope of the normal at point, it will be what? It will be minus of minus 1 by slope of the tangent at point 1, 1. So will I get that slope of the normal will be equal to 1. So if I have the slope of the normal, I can find the equation of the normal. So it will be y minus 1 equal to 1 into x minus 1. Then that is same as your y minus x, it is equal to 0. So that will be the equation of the normal. Okay. Now see the next. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve given by y equal to a sine cube t and y equal to b cos cube t at point t equal to pi by 2. Equation of a tangent to the curve. Now whether this curve is it expressed in terms of t? That means it is in what? Parametric form. To find equation of tangent, we need your dy by dx at a given point. Okay? So I have to find dy by dx. Can I find dy by dx? Yes. We have seen how to do it if it is a parametric form. What you should do? First find your dx by dt, then find dy by dt, then your dy by dx, it will be what? It will be dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay? So, we have that x equal to a sine cube t, then you will get your dx by dt and dy by dt from this. Okay? Then what? Find your dy by dx. Dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. Substituting, we'll get dy by dx as minus b by a cos t by sin t. Okay? Then we have given that at point that t is equal to what? T was equal to pi by 2. So substitute your value of t as pi by 2. So dy by dx at t equal to pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 90 and sin pi by 2 is 1. So whether the answer will cos pi by 2 is equal to what? 0. Cos 90 is 0 and sin 90 is 1. So whether this will I get as equal to 0. So dy by dx at t equal to pi by 2, will it be equal to 0? Yes. So the equation of the tangent to the given curve at t equal to pi by 2 at point a comma 0. How will I get that a comma 0? Here when t is pi by 2. Okay. What will be my value of x and y? That you have to find. Okay. If t is pi by 2, t pi by 2, see what is the value of x. Here pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is what? It is 1. So x will be equal to a. If t is pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0. So y will be equal to 0. So the point we will be getting as, it will be a comma 0. So the equation of the tangent at point a comma 0, it will be y minus 0 equal to 0 into x minus a. That means y is equal to 0. That is the equation of what? Equation of x-axis. Is that clear? Okay. Whether the concept, is it clear in the mind? Okay, thank you.